In this video, you'll learn how to change the group chat profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Updating the group chat picture makes conversations easier to recognize and helps keep your chats organized, especially when you're part of multiple group conversations. Let's get started. Open Microsoft Teams and go to the group chat where you want to change the profile picture. Make sure you're in a group chat, not a channel conversation, because this option is only available for group chats. At the top of the chat, go to the group chat avatar. Click on it, then choose the option to change or edit the picture. Select Upload Picture, then choose an image from your computer. Adjust or crop the image if needed, and save your changes. Once saved, the new group chat profile picture will update for all members of the chat. It may take a few moments to appear for everyone. If you don't see the option to change the group chat picture, check your permissions. Only group chat owners or certain participants may be allowed to update the picture, depending on your organization's settings. Changing the group chat profile picture is a simple way to personalize your conversations and quickly identify the right chat in your list. That's how to change the group chat profile picture in Microsoft Teams. If this guide helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.